Come test drive the 2021 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, power brakes, dual exhaust, interval wipers, rear window wiper, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry, security system, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.